Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. And I'm sorry, but April Fools. um, yeah, I couldn't resist it. I'm that prankster. I love to pull pranks and everything. So I'm like, April Fools. What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? It's Easter. Let me think. Them think it's gonna be a fun little look. No. Actually, this song is inspired. Not the song. This tutorial is part of the Anime Makeup in Toots and Tunes series, or Toots and Tunes. This is inspired by Princess Di, which was an unreleased song by Lady Gaga, and I actually really love that song. I don't know why. Like, whenever I heard that song and she like started touring with that song, I was like, I hope it's gonna be on Art Pop. That tells you how long ago it was. And I was still like in high school, so I was like writing this song. I was writing down the lyrics like every day so I could have them memorized. And I love it so much. And yeah. So I'm going to stop rambling so you can get to this video. And again, April Fools, happy Easter, have a good day. If you don't celebrate either of those, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to curl my eyebrows and prime and set my lids using Unity from the Anastasia Prism palette. And today we're using the Anastasia Prism palette. So we're going to take a fluffy brush and dip into Eden and put that just above the crease. Okay, now I'm going to dip into Saturn and put that a little bit lower into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of Parallel and just buff that in to the crease. Before I take care of the other eye, I'm just going to blend. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have that in the crease. I'm going to take Obsidian and place that all on the lid. Taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend. Okay, I did get a lot of fallout under my eye with that color, but I'm gonna go clean up under my eyes. I'm gonna put it on face, and I'm gonna basically take care of my face, my lashes, everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and I am glowing. I am bronzed. I look nice. Okay, so going back to the Prism palette, I'm going to take Obsidian and just run it on my outer third. Now I'm going to take the shade Lure, or Lure. I feel weird saying that name, I just do. Don't know why. And I'm going to run that all under the eye. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend underneath to smoke it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Lucid and pop that on the inner corner. That's pretty and all, but I'm going to take a little bit of Moon Tears and put that right on top, because that's what I have on and I'm glowing. So for waterline eyeliner, I'll be taking the Kat Von D Basket Case eyeliner. Okay, so now for bottom lash mascara, Lancome HD mascara. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the lips. For lipstick today, I'll be taking the shade Nudie Patootie by Wet n Wild, which honestly, you're gonna see why I'm gonna be using this today. Okay, so now I'm sad because I really like this color, but it's literally the color of my foundation. So I feel kind of weird with it. It literally just looks like my foundation. Oh, I was looking. Oh, it's so pretty though. Like this color. So I'm sad. If you want to go for concealer lips, this is the one to go to. Like it's the ultimate nude. Like it's literally my lips right now with all the foundation on. Oh. I was hoping it would show up more because it's really like cooler toned while my skin is more neutral. So I'm like sad. Well, okay. Actually, it is showing up a little bit better. Just not, okay. Okay, so on camera, it's not showing up as well. This is a lot cooler in person. Like it is like a cool tone concealer. So if you're looking for that, get it, girl. But honestly, I do like how it looks though. Because I was thinking like the whole look would be like, well, let me do something. Okay, so because this color is kind of a bust, I'm going to do something a little different. So, Jess, if you're watching, thank you. The other day I was out and about, and I ran into someone from my high school, so that's why I had to say a quick thank you. And what she did was something really cool, and I loved it. I'm like, I might do that with this. She took like foundation, concealer, lips, and she added black in the center and like blended it out. So I'm going to try to do that. So I'm going to be trying that out. It might ruin everything. Okay, so now I'm actually going to take a collab. This is a Glow with the Flow lip shine. I'm just going to put it on top so that it gives it like something very different. Plus, these two are trying to, these colors try to stick together, so. Okay, so I think that looks really cool. It looks like something just crawling out. Anyway, I'm gonna set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I feel crazy. I love it. Yeah, I feel ready for Halloween. Actually, I love it. And again, I have to say thank you, Jess, for giving me the inspiration for these lips. Otherwise, I don't know what I would have done. Honestly, I would have been lost. And I hope you enjoyed this kind of April Fool's / Easter trick I had to do. Actually, I think it kind of does fit Easter because, I mean, Jesus technically did die, so this is the day he comes back from the dead. Plus, originally I was going to title this like type of look, like really dark crease, nude lips. I forgot the title I originally had for it, but it's like something about my dream funeral makeup or something like that. And I guess I'm gonna have to create a little video about this at some point, but this is just like a little, like, it was a joke to me, but I know some people it wouldn't be, so yeah, I think it fits more with the song because the song's kind of dark, sad, that type of feeling. But I actually really do like how this turned out, and I would definitely do this again. I don't know what else to say except thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click my little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't honestly say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!